Good evening and welcome to Daybreak Warriors Navajo Word of the Day. So today's Navajo Word of the Day is going to be the Navajo Treaty. So to say the Navajo Treaty in Navajo, you say Naaltsoos Sání, Naaltsoos Sání, which is the Navajo Treaty. Now some of you may already know that on this day, June 1st in 1868, the Navajo tribe had set up a treaty with the United States government. Before this time, before 1868, Navajos were being rounded up on the reservation, were forced to move away from their traditional homeland and sent to live in a place in Fort Sumner or Bosque Redondo. In Navajo, we called that place Hwéeldi, which is basically the Navajo rendering of the word fuerte for fort in Spanish, but in Navajo we call that place Hwéeldi, which is basically Bosque Redondo. So the Navajo were rounded up and were forced to live in that area until June 1st, 1868, in which we signed a treaty with the U.S. government, which gave us the reservation land and which basically designated that we have our homeland. So today is a good celebration day for us Navajos who got to return to our homeland to live here. So that's today's word of the day, Naaltsoos Sání, Naaltsoos Sání, which is the Navajo Treaty. And there's other ways to say contracts. There's a lot of ways to say different legal terms. Even though Naaltsoos Sání may seem like a generic term, there are more current ways to say things. And if you want to know how to say more technical terms, click on the link below, and that will give you a link to show you how to say different complex court-related terminology in case you're interested in learning those phrases. So in closing, since today is Navajo Treaty Day, I'm going to close with a Navajo song, just as a reminder that not only did we keep our language and land, but we also maintained our culture and heritage as well. So enjoy the song. Hey, hey, young, hidi, oh, hidi, ay, nahanga, hidi, oh, hidi, ay, nahanga, hidi, ay, nahanga, hey, young, hidi, oh, hidi, ay, nahanga, hidi, oh, hidi, ay, nahanga, hidi, ay, nahanga, hey, young, ho, hidi, ay, nahanga, ho, hidi, ay, nahanga, hidi, oh, hidi, ay, nahanga, hidi, ay, nahanga, hey, young. Have a nice day. My bad, I forgot to tell you how you can use it in a sentence. To use the word in a sentence, you can say, Dije Naaltsoos Sání Hwéeldi da beheni. Dije Naaltsoos Sání Hwéeldi da beheni, which means today we just remember the signing of the Navajo Treaty. Thank you. Have a nice day now. Really, for sure, really.